In this video, we will see how to get an API key from OpenAI. In the same way, you just need to search on Google by typing OpenAI API key. As soon as you search, you will see a link from platform.openai.com API. And after clicking on this link, your task will be to sign up. If you don't already have an account, sign up first, meaning you need to register. To register, you must provide an email address and your name. Then verify your email, verify your mobile number, and then you will be able to log in. It will appear just like this, so you will click on sign up. After clicking sign up, you will enter your email address. After entering your email and clicking continue, it will ask for your name. Then your email will be verified. Click to verify, and after verifying your email, it will ask for your mobile number. Enter your mobile number to complete the registration. Since I have already registered, I will continue using my Gmail. So if you want, you can also continue and complete your registration using your Gmail. This is also easy. After registering, you will see that your API page will look like this. However, keep in mind that if your API trial does not have any credits, you will definitely need to load dollars into your account. So if you want to load dollars, here's what you need to do. There is an option where you can load dollars. So here, just click here, and what you need to do is go to billing. After going to billing, click on add to credit balance. I already added $10. So when you click on add to credit balance, add your card. Enter the amount and add the dollars here. After adding the dollars, go to API key and generate an API key as you need. What you need to do with this package is just take the key we have in FacelessClip and put it here. And if you want to use OpenAI's TTS, put that key here as well. Both are API keys. Put both API keys here, then click on test. If the test is successful, click on save. After saving, if you don't have Gemini, you can use OpenAI instead. So this is the system for using OpenAI. Thank you.